Guys, this is Crafty Cat. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. We have a brand new Amazon Prime unboxing. It's a nice big one. So I think I know what's in here. I'm excited to see. So I think I'm going to have to grab my scissors. I don't want to, like, the thing that's in here goes all the way to the top. See that? I didn't want to cut it. So this is something that I got during Prime Days. I don't know when you're going to see this because I am trying to queue up a whole bunch of videos so that I can go out to my cottage, or what I call camp, for the month of August. So you'll probably see this while I'm out at camp and away from any form of internet. So anyway, this is, as you can see, the Hilroy Studio Pro watercolor paper pad. But it's not thick like normal watercolor paper. But it says it's watercolor paper, and it was only $5.07. And that was during Prime Days, and I thought it was a sale. But as I'm checking today, it is still $5.07. So maybe that's just the regular price. So anyway, it says there's 15 sheets. Let's take a look so you can see this. I don't know if my camera is focusing. It's 22.8 by 30.4 centimeters. And that means 9 by 12 inches. If I put it down, you can get a better idea. And it shows clearly brushes. But it looks thin. It's only 90-pound paper. So my normal watercolor paper that I use, I believe, is a lot heavier and thicker than that. I think I usually use like 150-pound paper. 140 or 150-pound paper. Anyway, I thought I'd give this a try for $5, because if it doesn't work for watercolor, it should work for gouache maybe, or just for drawing. And I thought for $5, it's a nice sketchbook. And the papers are big. It does have some texture, but I just don't know if my camera is going to pick it up. It has the thin cover on the front, but it has the thicker cardboard on the back. So you can see that. Now for the ratings, it's got 4.5 out of 5 stars, but it only has 93 ratings. I've never tried this, but there are people who are painting on this, and they're showing the results of their painting. And yeah, so I am thinking that the best way to use this, if you were going to use it for watercolor, would be to tear it out and then tape it down flat. So you would have to tape it like onto something hard, like something harder than this even, so that it wouldn't buckle while you're painting, and then maybe it would work. But one person said good for beginners and for fun. I think it was good enough. Someone said fine quality, easy to use, watercolor book, 5 stars, good place to start. So you know what? I also thought I could use it for my watercolor pencils, my watercolor crayons, and my watercolor oil and wax pastels, because they don't use as much water as regular watercolor, and I wanted something bigger. So that's probably what I'll use this for. But that's it. $5 for a 9 by 12 thing of paper I thought was pretty good. Now, if it doesn't work for watercolor, I'll do a review after I've used a few pages. We'll come back and we'll do it together. Maybe we'll test the various media. We'll test watercolor pencils, and watercolor crayons, and probably water-soluble oil pastel, and see which works best on this. So look for that in the future. That probably won't come till the fall, because like I said, God willing, I'll be heading out to camp for the month of August. And there's no internet out there. So yeah, but you guys will still have videos every day, because I'm working very hard to make sure that you'll still have videos, and I will pop in to read the comments and to post pictures once in a while. So anyway, just like I did last year. Alright guys, so that is it. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, hit that like button, hit the subscribe, hit the notification bell, all of those good things that help me as a channel. And thank you so much for spending time with me today. I hope you have a great day, whatever it is you're doing. All right, take care, stay safe, and happy crafting, happy shopping, happy drawing, happy painting, happy everything. Bye, guys.